How does sanding work? You might have seen someone sanding or done it yourself, and you might have wondered, how does this actually work? In order to understand that, we first have to understand grits. Grit just refers to how coarse or hard the material is, and the lower the grit, the harder and rougher the material, the higher the grit, the smoother it'll feel. When sanding stuff for 3D prints, I don't know about the rest, you start at a low grit like 60 in order to get rid of any large imperfections. Then you move up to 120 and 200 in order to get it relatively smooth. From here, a lot of prints are actually pretty good. If you think of 3D prints as a bunch of little lines stacked on top of each other, what this sanding does is essentially remove the gap between them. That's why you might see people use filler primer, which fills in those gaps and then allows people to pass over it again to get it even smoother. And an unsanded part like this will have layer lines showing. But if you ignore the bad paint job on this Saiyaman helmet and you go up to a grit like 4 or 600, you'll get metal reflective. Now, I don't have anything else painted to show you, but you can see that this is incredibly smooth. Sanding is an essential part of 3D prints, and if you're interested in more smoothing methods, subscribe for more.